All right. Good morning, everybody. We're going to take a look at what you have on your plate for today. Hope everybody had an awesome weekend. Got some time to relax. So for this week, you have completing the square. So just like always, you always have this practice problems, interactive textbook, extra practice you can access if you need some direction on where you should be going. But here is the vocab and concepts and then the check-in for the week. So you can access those to complete those. And you can see right here, it's by December 6th. So this Sunday by 11:59 p.m. Like we talked about though, or I guess I emailed, but I want to make sure I mention this. Last week was Thanksgiving, so I didn't want to only give you a week to do that stuff from last week. So the 2.3 factored form of quadratic function. So like I emailed, I went ahead and extended that due date because I wanted you guys to have some downtime, enjoy some relaxation, enjoy family, or enjoy whatever you wanted to enjoy. So I extended that due date. So hopefully you saw that, but if you didn't and you still completed it by Sunday, it is what it is. You got it done. But if you did take advantage of that, just please don't forget that this stuff is due by December 6th as well. So if you're keeping a calendar, if you're keeping like a list of things to do, I know it's out of the ordinary, so I don't want you to forget about it. Make sure that completing this by December 6th gets written on that list of things to do this week. Because I don't want you to, again, it's out of the ordinary. So I don't want you to forget about it. So, but for this week's stuff, like always, you got the solutions manual and the video tutorial. So make sure you take advantage of those if you would like to. If you have questions or concerns, you can always access those to try to help you guide through or try to get you through those questions. The solutions manual, I see that a lot of people are clicking on that. So that's really good. If you don't like to watch the video, have this open as well. It's not like you have to do both. If you want to do those practice problems just with the solutions manual open, you should be able to get yourself through it. But some of them are a little bit confusing. So watching the video tutorial, at least that part of the video tutorial, might help you out as well. So I'll go ahead and stop sharing. I'm going to open it up for questions. Please unmute yourself or type in the chat box. I actually don't have anybody coming in late, so I'll wait for a few seconds to see if anybody has any questions for me. All right. Well, like always, I'm going to hang back and hang around and talk with people or answer questions. I hope everybody else has an awesome day, and we will see you Thursday. Bye. Hey, Chris.
Alrighty, so I don't really know how to do like a problem and like figure out what the issue is, but I've been trying to solve the system with multiple equations, and I go through it and then come up with a answer that isn't true.
Okay. Which lesson are you on?
I accidentally did a 2.5, right? That's the one that we were just doing, yeah, 2.5 last week, and now I'm on 2.3 this week.
Okay.
So I do plan on getting both of those done.
So yeah, you're cool. Which problem? I guess when I got that email from you and you were talking about systems, I thought you were talking about like the systems with like 3 equations.
Yeah, the system with 3 equations, so I was already having issues on that during 1 point. I forget which one it was, but I was already having issues with that one, and that's part of the reason why my test was not so good.
Yeah. So, okay. So straighten me out here. You're talking about lesson 2.3, but I don't think we have any systems questions in that lesson.
No, I'm talking about 2 point, I think 2, the one where you have to solve the quadratic. So you get multiple coordinates and then you solve from there, but you do use the system with multiple equations by canceling out the variables to get back
Can you
here.
give me like a problem? Give me a problem that you're on.
Alrighty, yeah, I should have had this prepared.
No, you're cool. Emma, do you got a question for me real quick? I don't want you to have to hang back while Chris is finding this. Okay.
Sorry, I have like allergies, so I'm like
No,
sniffling.
you're cool. No worries, man. I'm looking through, I'm on the practice problems for lesson 2.3, and I'm just trying to find